Hi guys, welcome to Know Math, and today we will discuss the derivation of arithmetic sequence formula where it is intended for high school mathematics, especially for grade 10 students. My name is Sir Bench Antonio, and if you have not yet subscribed on my channel, please hit like and subscribe for more videos and for you to get notified once I uploaded my new videos. Right, so let's start. So we all know that the arithmetic sequence has the general rule of a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference d. So this is the formula that we are using when we are going to solve some problems involving arithmetic sequence. So let us discuss the derivation of this formula. Alright, for example, we have here an arithmetic sequence of 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. So the first thing that you need to observe is to know the pattern or what we call the common difference. The common difference here is positive 3. So we are adding 3 in each of the term for us to get the next term, right? So we will use this common difference for us to know the formula, for us to derive the formula. Let's say the first term is A. So for you to get the second term, you will add the common difference. And for you to get the next term or the third term, you will add twice the common difference from the first term or to the first term. And then for you to get the fourth term, you will now add thrice the common difference. And for the last term, we will now add 4 times of the common difference. So this is now where the formula came from. So we can now have our formula. Let's say the fifth term. Our fifth term is a plus 4 times the common difference. Okay? Now, if we're going to set n as the number of term, as a is the first term, since our n value is 5, we cannot achieve it as we have here 4. So we will use now n minus 1 because our n is 5 since we have here 4. So we just need to subtract 1, then multiply by the common difference d. And there we have now our formula for the arithmetic sequence. And using this, we can now have or we can now know the next terms of the given arithmetic sequence. Let's try. If we're going to find the eighth term of the given sequence. So let us use the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. So set your n into a sub 8. Your a sub 1 is 1. Plus, since we have here n as 8 subtracted to 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is positive 3. So evaluate the equation. 1 plus 7 times 3. Follow the rule of GEMDAS. 1 plus 21. So let's start with the multiplication process. 7 times 3 is 21. And 21 plus 1, that will give us the 8th term of 22. And that's it. That is the derivation of the arithmetic formula. Okay? And do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much.